Hello friends, welcome to my channel Iktaindians. Today I am going to share with you extremely delicious, most popular pure veg paneer recipe, that is Dudh Paneer, cottage cheese with milk gravy without onion and garlic. This is quick, easy and simple recipe, so anyone can make it easily. This Dudh Paneer, that is cottage cheese with milk gravy, is very different, unique and healthy recipe. This dish will make your day more delightful. So let's start the recipe. Here I take 250 grams paneer, that is cottage cheese, which I cut into medium size rectangle shape. You can cut the paneer into the shape as you like. I also take 15 to 20 pieces cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon poppy seeds, 1 teaspoon char mogoj, that is dried melon seeds, 10 to 15 pieces raisins, 4 pieces green chilies, 2 to 3 tablespoon fresh yogurt. Now I transfer all these ingredients like cashew nuts, poppy seeds, char mogoj, raisins, green chilies and yogurt into a mixer jar to make a smooth fine paste just like this. Then I also take 1 teaspoon kasuri methi and 2 cups of full fat milk. Now I heated a karai and add 4 to 5 tablespoon refined oil into it. When the oil is heated sufficiently, then I put paneer pieces one by one into it. Fry the both sides of the paneer, but don't over fry them. Now I am going to fry the rest of the paneer pieces just like same way. Now I put a separate bowl on the gas and add 1 cup of water and half teaspoon salt to make hot water. Now I turn off the gas and keep the bowl aside. Now I take out the fried paneer pieces from the pan and put them the separate bowl which is full of hot water. This process will make the paneer pieces more soft and spongy. Now I am going to use the same remaining oil. When the oil is heated sufficiently, then I am adding the smooth fine paste into it and stir it continuously, otherwise it may burn. After that I am adding 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar and mix it nicely. Then I am adding 1 teaspoon black pepper powder into it. Then I add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Now I mix all the spices very well. After few seconds I am adding 2 cups of full fat milk into it and mix it nicely. Now I am going to cook it for 5 minutes on medium to low flame. After 5 minutes I am adding fried paneer pieces into the gravy and mix all the things very well and cook it for 5 minutes on medium to low flame. Now I put a pan on the gas and add 1 teaspoon kasuri methi into it to dry roast it. Then I take out it from the pan and crush it. Now I stir it nicely. Gravy is almost done. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon dry roasted kasuri methi into it and give it a nice mix. Then I add 1 teaspoon garam masala powder into it and mix it well. Dudh Paneer is ready to serve. I serve Dudh Paneer with hot pulao. You can serve it with paratha, naan, puri or rice. Serve it as you like. Thank you so much for taking out your valuable time and watching my video. I hope you like my today's pure veg mouth-watering Dudh Paneer recipe very much, which I prepare in very easy and simple way and in very short time. You must try at your home. It will be a nice treat for your family. I need your support, so please like and share my recipe and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And please send your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section of my video. I will see you soon in my next video with some new recipe. Till then, be safe, be healthy and enjoy cooking. Bye bye.